Rise and grind, everyone. Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. Everyone make sure to go follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Have a blessed day. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope everyone's having a blessed day out there. And happy family day to all of you loved ones out there and positive people. Hey, so we have a special guest today. He just got dropped off by Santa Claus himself. Shout out to all the hard, smart workers out there working for all the delivery companies.
FedEx, UPS, Amazon, ONEUPLIGHTING, we can go on
long days. But it's here. Let's see what it is. In that moment, I realized shit just got real. Ooh, we out here. Oh, you guys see it. Mele Kaliki Maka. What I really meant to say was Mele Kaliki Maka. But it's here, guys. Yes. This is what Santa just dropped me. It's here. So what happened was, I originally ordered the wrap I got, which is satin carmine red. For everyone who don't know that, because I really didn't post it out there on my social media, only on YouTube. So yes, the wrap I got wrapped like the only one and only Kjwrapz himself. It was satin carmine red. So I only got it specifically for the car itself, and I brought home add-ons thinking that it would be extra just because how small my car is. But it didn't go that way, so more wrap we got. So we're gonna wrap the add-ons and the doorknobs, all that good stuff will be getting wrapped as well. So you guys stay tuned for that. And also we do have good news, more good news. Always gonna be good news, man. Always, even if it's bad, there's always good in the bad. You guys have to learn that. You learn so much stuff out of the bad, which just will make you even good. So with that said, we have the emblems. The emblems will be getting finished up this week, so we'll be going to pick that up from the one and only LED himself. I know I added that on that, but yeah. So we're gonna be going to pick that up. So I have a video with that, and also what else? So much stuff, so many things, guys. You guys just gonna have to stay in tune. Make sure you hit that like, that subscribe, and leave that comment down below, guys. Everyone take care. Have a blessed day. Happy family day to you all. Stay safe. Drive safe. No drinking and driving. You guys know the rest. It's the evening right now. So, special guests. Got 2 special guests pulling up soon. More good news. Wrap just came in. I wrapped my side scoops. Oh, yes. I've been practicing. So with that said, we got 2 special guests for you guys tonight. We're going to be doing I'll say out of the blue or just a random mod night. The bros hit me up, said they need to do something, they need to get out. So they're on their way right now from way out. And they're coming all the way to Daly City though. They're coming to the city to fuck with me, man, like they usually do. Shout out to real people out there, like I said in my last videos. But yeah, they hit me up, told me they bored, they need to do something. So I'm like, bro, let's do these mods. So Rich Mo, yes, you guys now know who this surprise is. Rich Mo will be coming. We did it, I think it was like 3 months ago, like 4 or 3 months ago. Hey, we're back. I went out there to his house and he helped me install my spoiler, and I actually installed it with the splitter rods. Yes, right? A spoiler with the splitter rods. Usually just see this in Need for Speed, or I've been seeing them on GCRs, you know, on the Godzillas. So I actually created it on Need for Speed and we did it. It came out amazing. So, and I was able to rock with that for like 3 days before the incident happened. Luckily, we're still here and we're gonna give you guys more content. So we're gonna repeat that mod on the new Flash 2.0 in a couple minutes soon. You guys will see that part. Guys, make sure you do 4 things: like, subscribe, and leave that comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. We'll be right back. Hey, so we're back right now, guys. The bros just pulled up. Wait to the garage right now. Yeah, what's going on?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Chillin'. Hey, what is good with y'all? So the bros finally pulled up.
Gang.
So right now, what we about to do is install the spoiler once again. And I just finished wrapping these bad boys. You guys see the wrap? No. First process, we're just drilling the holes in right now, y'all. Got everything lined up already. Then after that, yes sir, y'all already know what time it is. Reflective yellow. Ka-chow on y'all asses. We just did the second part. We're just bolting these bolts down up in there, so it's stable now. The last part we're gonna do, well, before the last part, so line this bad boy up, get this situated, then you guys will see the aftermath. Shout outs to these two again for coming out here. They didn't have to do it.
You always come through for me, sir.
It came through. First rod we have in already. About to do the second one.
That's actually
out there. So we finally just finished this shit, y'all. It's there. So, completed the spoiler mod tonight. My brothers came through. Shouts to Rich Mo and his little bro, Zon, for just coming through helping me out. They didn't even have to, but special shouts to them. It's up. You guys will see this video soon. And plenty more. Everyone have a blessed day, or I hope you have a blessed day. Stay positive and have a good night. Oh, I'm back. Make sure you do 4 things: like, share, subscribe, and leave that comment down below.